Naka-beauty face.
Naka-beauty face. Okay. Kaya, hurry up para mabilisan before we attract a big crowd. So mga kaibigan, kasalukuyan na kaming nakakakuha ng mga friends ni Jody here in Makati. Thank you, Iho. Thank you, Iha. Last one. Okay. Okay. Good to go. Double shot talaga si ate.
Thank you.
Parang espresso. Okay. And now we're walking through one of the department stores of Makati. Jodes, nung high school college ako, yung department store na ito napapasukin natin.
Landmark.
Landmark.
I know
Diba?
this.
You know this. Memories mo to. Fast food.
Yes, mother. Nung naalala ko si mama nag-work dito sa Makati ng bata pa ako. Every
Yes.
Saturday, pupunta kami sa office niya. Tapos after nun, dito kami sa Landmark pupunta para kumain.
Kumain.
At magkonting grocery.
And I'm sure yun ang early days mo with Jollibee.